Hi, welcome to rcapsules.com, a video blog on R, the free open source data analysis software. In this edition, we will discuss the advantages of R over Excel. Sometime back, when I mentioned the advantages of R over Excel to an Excel user, she was very reluctant to accept it. Being a proficient Excel user, why should I invest my time on R? That was her contention. Excel can definitely do most of the basic data analysis requirements. There cannot be two opinions on that. But in terms of efficiency, Excel pales in comparison with R. We will demonstrate this aspect through an example. For our demonstration, we will use the data file available at this link. The data file contains information on tree houses located in various US cities. The data file contains an entry for each of the tree houses. Each entry contains location, price, and the number of reviews a tree house has received so far. Our objective is to find the median price of a tree house for each of the cities. Our file contains information on various tree houses and located in different cities. Our objective is to filter the tree houses for a particular city and compute the median. First we will show it through Excel, then we will demonstrate it through R. Please come along. Okay, we will move to the folder in which we have downloaded the data. Now let me invoke it in Excel. This is the data. It contains 1, 2, 3, 4 variables: city, state, price, and number of reviews. So we have several tree houses located in one city. For instance, New York has several entries. So this is a tree house located in New York. Price is 125. Another one located in New York, 85. Another one located in New York, just 110, like that. So like that for other cities also. We have to find the data for New York. We have to collect the information on all the tree houses located in New York and compute the median. Likewise for other cities as well. But you have to notice one thing here. A city name can appear in multiple states. For instance, take a look at this list, city-state kind of thing. See, Berkeley, you can see, Berkeley is a California state city. But there is a Berkeley in Colorado as well. This means city name is not a unique identifier. To get a unique identifier, the best strategy would be to combine city name with state name, state code here. Okay, so this should be our first task. It's a kind of cleaning the data and making the data ready for further data analysis. Okay, let me just add these two columns. Equals B1 and space and C1. Enter. Now let us copy this and finish. Okay, so we got the unique identifier. That part is done. Okay, now let us compute the median. Let me just put a label there. Sorry, MEDIAN. Okay, now we will use the formula median. It is in D colon. Okay. Hey, we want median for all the cities, not just one city. And this is not even for one city. We have computed the median for the whole of US. Instead of computing the median for each of the cities, we have computed the median for the entire data set. This is absolutely wrong. Let me just delete this column completely. Okay. Anyway, before moving further, let me just create a new column with unique city state values. Okay. For this, we will use the filter command. Let us select the column, use the filter option, get into the advanced option, copy to another location, that means the filtered list. I will give unique records only. We have to enable this. Then copy to. I'll copy to this column. Okay, that's fine. Okay, yeah. So we have got unique entry. Okay, so actually we have this much number of cities, and we have to find the median value for each of the cities now. All right. Let me just expand this so that it will be readable. Now we have to compute the median value. Okay. Let me just put the median. All right. Now we will put the median command is equal to median. Now we have to pull the data for the city Portland from the entire worksheet. Okay. For this, I will use an if command. If, let me just get into the worksheet. Oh, it's already here, and the column which in which we are interested is this column, city state. Oh, sorry, that is not F1, it is EF colon F. Okay, and the values in this column should be equal to this one, Portland, our target city. All right. Now, if this is true, pull the data from this column. Yeah, I think this is correct. Okay, let me just close the if statement and the median function. Okay, now this is not an ordinary formula. This is an array formula because we have given them an array of information. So we cannot just press enter. Instead, you have to press Control, Shift and enter. Control, Shift, enter, all of them together. Alright? Yeah, it is done. So, this is the median price for all the tree houses located in the city Portland. Okay? Now, we have to repeat this for other cities as well. For this, we have to just copy this formula toward the end. That's all. It's a very simple exercise. Okay. Okay. Let me just copy this formula. and let me just complete this. It may take some time because my machine is a very old one, so please be patient. Okay, it has finished the computation. So now we have the median price for each of the cities in the United States. Okay, our job is over, done. Of course, this is just one of the ways of doing it. And an Excel user with more expertise might be able to do it in a more efficient way. I don't know. If you know a better way, you please mail me. Okay. But anyway, we have done several steps to arrive at this computation. Okay. Now let me take you to R and show you how this can be done in R. Okay. This is the RStudio interface. Okay. First, let us read the data. I am reading the data in an object called tree. Okay. That is done. Now, median. I am going to calculate the median for all the cities in one object called MED1. And just one command will do. I don't need to bother about anything. Just one command will do everything. Okay. Now, let me just list out the median value for a few cities. Okay. This command will do that. Okay. It's done. City, state, median value like that. Okay. Now, if we want to list out the median price in top 50 or 100 cities, just another command will do. Okay, it's done. So the most expensive city is Indianapolis, then Paris, like that, you know. So everything is so easy. Just one or two commands will serve the purpose. That's the advantage of R. Perhaps some of you may still be not convinced. You may say that I can do all these things in Excel and I am quite proficient, I won't take much time and all those things. I agree. But, you know, if you make some change in the data, some modifications or additions, so you have to do everything all over again in Excel. Here you just have to run these commands. That is the big difference, you know. Yet another interesting part of R is that concept of dynamic documents that will help you intersperse data and R commands along with your text material. And if you put text and data together like this document, you can with just one single command you can take it to convert it into a Word document like this. Okay, just need a word. Taking some time. See, the whole document is converted into a Word document. A neat table, everything has come. So we don't need to do any copying, pasting, and all those things. You know, everything is done through the source code itself. And if you do the commands and convert automatically into a Word document, it's very neat and clean. And even if you change your document, even if you change your data, you just have to rerun the whole R script. Nothing else, you know, everything is so automatic. And if you want to send it to another friend or another colleague, you just have to send the source code which I showed you. This is called, this source code generally called dynamic document also. You know. So anyone can reproduce research so easily. Okay. Let us recap. In Excel, you have several steps involved or only a few commands. A change or modification data, Excel we need to do everything all over again. In R we need to just rerun the commands, and R facilitates reproducible research. I hope this has convinced you the advantages for over Excel. Okay. Thanks for your time. Take care. Bye bye. If you have any comments, please let me know. Please send a mail at jmurali@gmail.com. Thank you again. Bye bye.